If you're feeling off, your hormones aren't the first problem you should be taking a look at, but they still might matter. And that distinction is where most people get it wrong. A lot of high performers are told that they have a hormone issue. Low testosterone, low progesterone, thyroid problems, cortisol issues, etc. And the assumption becomes, I need to fix my hormones. Sometimes that's true, but most of the time, it's not where the work should start. And here's why. Hormones don't operate in isolation. They respond to signals, and the system that sends those signals is the nervous system. If the nervous system is chronically loaded, and I'm not talking panicked or anxious, I'm just talking constantly on, then hormones adapt around that load. They downshift, they flatten, they lose rhythm. From the outside, it looks very much like a hormone deficiency, but from the inside, it's a regulation problem. This is why so many people go on TRT, progesterone, thyroid meds, or supplements, and they do feel better for a while and then stall. The intervention wasn't wrong. The order was wrong. You can absolutely need hormone support. I am not anti-TRT. I am not anti-progesterone. I am on TRT myself, and I have been for several years. It's a game changer. But I am anti-doing it blindly. If the nervous system is still stuck in a threat-dominant state, then hormones are being added into a system that doesn't know how to use them properly. And that's why you see mixed results. Short-term relief, long-term inconsistency. And the correct sequence is a lot simpler than people think. First, you stabilize the nervous system. Restore predictable rhythms. Reduce background stress load. Train in a way that signals strength, not survival. Eat to stabilize blood sugar instead of creating constant spikes and crashes. When the nervous system starts to regulate, two things happen. One, some hormone problems disappear on their own. Levels normalize because the system finally feels safe enough to function. Two, if hormones are still needed, now they actually work the way they're supposed to. This is where deep labs matter, not surface level panels, not normal range reassurance BS, but labs that show how hormones are being produced, converted, bound, and used at the tissue level. That's when TRT makes sense. That's when progesterone support is appropriate. That's when thyroid intervention is targeted, not guessed. Hormones are very powerful tools, but they're amplifiers, not fixes. They amplify whatever state the nervous system is already in. Fix the control system first, and then decide what support is truly necessary. If you want a deeper breakdown of how this all works physiologically and how to rebuild energy and performance in the right order, I go much deeper on my YouTube channel. I'll throw a link in the comments because that is where the real education happens. I'll see you all very soon. Take care.